So here's my review of the Chunky Dunkys that I bought off the website, The Real Real. Hey, this is Chris Colgan. So here's my review of the Chunky Dunkys that I actually bought off The Real Real, the website. It's a luxury website where you can buy luxury shoes from Jordans, Gucci, whatever you want. And you can get some good deals on there. Most of the stuff is going to be used. And I wanted a pair of Chunky Dunkys that I could actually wear around that weren't brand new that I would really hate to wear. And you can see I paid a couple $100 under what StockX would charge for these brand new. They actually aren't in that bad a shape, to be honest. They also have a pretty good vetting process to make sure that the sneakers are authentic. But you can tell, they've got a couple scratches on here, but these are like really, and some also just a little bit in there, but these are some really sick shoes. They got the cow print, the dripping ice cream on the Nike check there, and they actually turned out pretty good for what I got. Like I said, I paid a couple $100 under what StockX would want for a pair brand new. Also, you can return them anytime you want. They put a sticker on here, and if you walk around with them and the sticker comes off, and obviously you're not going to be able to return them, but these are just absolutely sick sneakers that you got to have in your collection. All right, thanks again for watching. Post below in the comments if you want to see anything else about any sneakers, or if you think there's a pair of shoes out there that you think I should buy on websites like The Real Real that have been worn, and I can review them for you guys and see what you think. All right, thanks a lot.